Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please don't make it your last. Just hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family. And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the home remedy you can use to treat white patches or white spots at home. But before that, what causes white patches? White patches appears on the skin when the protein or dead skin cells are trapped under the skin surface, and this results to depigmentation, color loss, vitiligo, and other health conditions. White patches are not harmful and they do not give any symptom. Yeah, but sometimes it can be, because we want a glowing skin, because we want a spotless skin, we want a perfect skin. We tend to worry about it a lot, but they are not harmful on the skin. Okay, so that being said, let's go ahead. Let me show you guys the home remedy you can use to treat white patches or white spots at home. Okay, with consistency you will begin to see changes. This kind of skin problem is not what you can treat in a day. It needs consistency. You need to be consistent with the treatment for you to see results. Okay guys, so without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, to make the treatment you need a clean plate. Then you also need coconut oil. Use pure coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use Vaseline or shea butter. Okay, so go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into the plate. Coconut oil has been known to help reduce dark spots, soothe facial redness, and help to fix an uneven skin tone. One of the benefits of coconut oil for skin is that it helps to increase the natural production of collagen. It helps to improve skin elasticity for firmer skin, and it also helps to, give you smooth skin. Yes, smooth and very moist skin. Okay, so you can also use coconut oil to hydrate your skin, get even skin tone. Okay, so the next thing here is tea tree oil. I'll go ahead and add about 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil, because tea tree oil is an antibacterial oil. It helps in treating some skin blemishes, some skin diseases. Okay, you can use tea tree oil to treat acne and pimples. Okay, but just make sure you don't apply it directly to your skin. Make sure it's diluted before applying it on your skin. Okay, so after that, the next one here is vitamin E oil. There are a lot of skin benefits of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize your skin. It helps in wound healing. It helps to reduce skin itchy, eczema, and a lot of them. It helps to prevent the skin from fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so after adding the vitamin E oil, you go ahead and mix it properly. Guys, this treatment with consistency, after applying this treatment on your skin, if you're consistent with it, within 1 month you will see those white patches or white spots fading away, guys, honestly. So the final one here is aloe vera. Go ahead and get your aloe vera gel and add into it. So after adding the aloe vera gel, you go ahead and mix it very well. Mix it very well so that everything will combine. So once you're done mixing it, you go ahead and get a very clean container. Please make sure the container you will be using to store this is very clean. Okay, because you don't want to contaminate the cream with any kind of bacteria or germs. Okay, if possible, boil the container before making use of it. That is, if it's not a container that would melt. If it's a container that can withstand a heat, then go ahead and boil it before using it. Okay, it's always good, it's always necessary to do that, right? So that is it. Go ahead and transfer the treatment into the container. So how do you use this treatment? For this treatment, at night after bathing, just go ahead and take it. This will serve as your cream. Then rub it on the place you have the white patches. If you have it all over your body, then you go ahead and apply it all over your body. just massage it, apply it all over your body. You don't need to wash it out. After applying it, you let it sit there. Try this consistently. Then you will begin to see the white patches or white spots disappearing. You will begin to see your skin, the color, the discoloration of your skin tone, you will see them coming together. This cream will help your skin to produce more melanin, and when your skin produces more melanin, the white patches will tend to disappear. Okay guys, so that is what this cream will help to do to your white patches. It will help your skin to produce more melanin and thereby making the white patches to disappear. Okay, so please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Yes, before I go, for this cream you don't need to throw the remaining one away. Just cover the remaining one, keep it on your kitchen counter or in the fridge. Anytime you want to use it, bring it out and use it. Okay, it doesn't get spoiled. No, it will remain good for 1 month. It will serve you for 1 month. You don't need to worry. Okay guys, so that is it. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.